Hello, it's Leigh here. Thanks for joining me again. So, welcome back to all my current subscribers and my lovely friends that play along with me all the time. And a big warm hug and hello to anyone who might be here for the first time. My name's Leigh and I live in Australia and I love to just muck around doing art stuff. So, I do have some training with acrylic painting, but with watercolors and doodling and all this sort of stuff, that is just gained by experience. So I'm going to do another doodly sort of watercolor florally thingamajig here. And I thought this time I'd start with the drawing and then put the watercolors over the top. Now this pen that I'm using is a Pilot GTec4, I think it is. Now it writes really well over wet media, so wet watercolor. So I thought it would work in reverse. So if I drew my flowers on to begin with and then painted over the top, that the pen would not shift. But unfortunately it does smudge a little bit, but in the end I think it all adds to the atmosphere and the ethereal feeling that this painting has. So I do the drawing and then I paint over it, and what I do with the paint too, you'll see me is I will shift the edge of the paint. So once it's on there, I'll then go back in with just water and move the edge to blur that out into the background a bit. So I'm going to let this play with a little bit of background music, and if I think I need to tell you about something, I'll jump back in, but I hope you enjoy this. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and it was nice and relaxing for you, and also showed how easy it can be to achieve something. Like, I'm not an expert in watercolor, I just play around with them. But yeah, I find this really enjoyable, and this is at real time, so it's only about 13 minutes worth of work, if that. Drying wasn't a problem on this one because I just drew with the pen straight over the wet paint. So yeah, I hope you give this sort of thing a try, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!